Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the CapCut desktop editor step by step. So if you want to edit YouTube videos, TikToks, shorts, gaming clips, or cinematic edits on your computer, yeah, this full guide will help you understand the basics really quickly. First, open CapCut desktop on your computer and create a new project. Once the editor loads, you'll see the media panel, preview window, and timeline area. Now import your videos, images, or audio files by clicking the Import button or dragging files directly into the media panel. Next, drag your clips onto the timeline to start editing. So this is where you'll trim, arrange, and customize your entire video. To remove unwanted parts, drag the edges of a clip or use the split tool. Trimming clips helps keep videos faster and more engaging, and that's basically how to use the CapCut desktop editor from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create much cleaner and more professional videos directly from your computer.